Here's the truth. The road to wealth is paved with wisdom, strategy, and mindset. And today, we're giving you 100 of the most powerful quotes that have inspired the world's wealthiest and most successful people. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking for that next big push to level up, these quotes will light a fire in your soul and transform the way you think about money forever. From timeless wisdom by legends like Warren Buffett and Seneca to actionable insights that will change your habits today, this video is your ultimate guide to financial greatness. Stay till the end, because there's one quote that might just be the game changer you need right now. Ready to unlock the secrets of wealth and success? Hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that helps you crush your financial goals. Alright, let's dive in and start your journey to financial freedom with these 100 powerful quotes. 1. Wealth is not about having a lot of money. It's about having a lot of options. Chris Rock. True wealth gives you freedom to make choices, not just money in the bank. 2. The secret to getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Success begins with taking the first step, no matter how small. 3. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Jim Rohn. Traditional schooling teaches basic skills, but learning on your own can create opportunities for wealth. 4. Don't work for money. Make money work for you. Robert Kiyosaki. Invest your money so it grows for you, instead of just trading your time for income. 5. You miss 100% of the opportunities you don't take. Wayne Gretzky. Taking risks and seizing opportunities is necessary to create wealth. 6. Money is a terrible master but an excellent servant. P.T. Barnum. When you control money, it works for you. When it controls you, it causes problems. 7. Rich people have small TVs and big libraries, and poor people have small libraries and big TVs. Zig Ziglar. Wealthy individuals prioritize learning and growth over entertainment. 8. The more you learn, the more you earn. Warren Buffett. Investing in knowledge is one of the best ways to increase your income. 9. Opportunities don't happen. You create them. Chris Grosser. Wealth is built by actively seeking or creating opportunities, not waiting for them. 10. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. Robert Kiyosaki. Wealth isn't just about income. It's about saving, investing, and building generational wealth. 11. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. Learning new skills and gaining knowledge always provides a great return on investment. 12. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Jim Rohn. Use your time wisely because it's a limited resource, unlike money. 13. Do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. Prioritize saving before spending to build wealth. 14. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Dave Ramsey. Planning your expenses ensures you're in control of your finances. 15. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Seneca. Success comes when you're ready to take advantage of opportunities as they arise. 16. Your network determines your net worth. Porter Gale. The people you associate with can influence your success and wealth-building journey. 17. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Albert Einstein. Investments that grow over time exponentially build wealth through compounding. 18. The rich invest their money and spend what's left. The poor spend their money and invest what's left. Jim Rohn. Prioritize investments over unnecessary spending to secure financial growth. 19. Wealth flows to those who understand it and multiply it. Wealth comes to those who know how to manage and grow their finances effectively. 20. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. When character is lost, all is lost. Billy Graham. Money can be regained, but integrity and health are far more valuable. 21. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Building wealth requires persistence, even after setbacks. 22. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. John D. Rockefeller. Sometimes, you need to take risks to move from comfort to significant success. 23. Riches do not respond to wishes. They respond only to definite plans, backed by definite desires, through constant persistence. Napoleon Hill. Wealth requires clear goals, determination, and effort, not just wishful thinking. 24. Abundance is not something we acquire. It is something we tune into. Wayne Dyer. Focus on the opportunities and resources available to create abundance in your life. 25. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Warren Buffett. Creating passive income streams is essential for long-term financial freedom. 26. Dream big, start small, but most importantly, start. Simon Sinek. Great wealth and success begin with a vision, but it's the small, consistent steps that turn dreams into reality. 27. The way to wealth depends on just two words: industry and frugality. Benjamin Franklin. Hard work and careful spending are key to building financial stability and success. 28. A penny saved is a penny earned. Benjamin Franklin. Saving money is just as important as earning it. 29. Financial freedom is freedom from fear. Robert Kiyosaki. True wealth means not worrying about money and feeling secure in your finances. 30. The habit of saving is itself an education. It fosters every virtue, teaches self-denial, cultivates a sense of order, and trains forethought. T.T. Munger. Saving money not only builds wealth, but also strengthens discipline and responsibility. 31. Do what you love, and the money will follow. Marcia Saintar. Pursuing your passion often leads to financial success because of the effort and joy you invest in it. 32. You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. Dave Ramsey. Managing your finances is critical to avoiding a life of financial struggle. 33. Earn as much as you can, save as much as you can, invest as much as you can, give as much as you can. John Wesley. Financial success involves balancing earning, saving, investing, and giving back. 34. A wise person should have money in their head, but not in their heart. Jonathan Swift. Money should be a tool, not something you become emotionally attached to. 35. The real measure of your wealth is how much you'd be worth if you lost all your money. Wealth is also about your skills, relationships, and character, not just your finances. 36. Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. Benjamin Franklin. Even minor, unnecessary expenses can lead to financial trouble if not managed. 37. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. Robert Kiyosaki. Overcoming fear of failure is crucial for taking risks and achieving financial success. 38. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Epictetus. Being content and needing less can make you feel wealthier than owning a lot. 39. Your greatest asset is your earning ability. Your greatest resource is your time. Brian Tracy. Maximizing your skills and using your time wisely is key to building wealth. 40. The goal isn't more money. The goal is living life on your terms. Chris Brogan. Financial freedom means designing a life that aligns with your values and desires. 41. An ounce of action is worth a ton of theory. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Planning is important, but taking action is what truly drives results. 42. Never depend on a single income. Make investment to create a second source. Warren Buffett. Diversify your income to protect yourself financially and grow your wealth. 43. The rich invest in time, the poor invest in money. Warren Buffett. Wealthy individuals focus on saving and investing time wisely, while others prioritize short-term gains. 44. Money grows on the tree of persistence. Japanese proverb. Building wealth takes time, effort, and patience. 45. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Warren Buffett. Investing requires patience to see significant returns over time. 46. Happiness is not in the mere possession of money. It lies in the joy of achievement, in the thrill of creative effort. Franklin D. Roosevelt. True happiness comes from the journey of success, not just the money itself. 47. In investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable. Robert Arnott. Taking calculated risks is often necessary to achieve higher returns. 48. Wealth is the ability to fully experience life. Henry David Thoreau. Having wealth allows you to enjoy life's experiences without limitations. 49. Successful investing is about managing risk, not avoiding it. Benjamin Graham. Wealth is built by understanding and controlling risks, not avoiding them entirely. 50. Financial freedom is about learning to live below your means and investing the surplus. Spend less than you earn and invest the rest to grow wealth over time. 51. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. Will Rogers. Invest in appreciating assets and give them time to grow in value. 52. Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. Ayn Rand. Money can enable your goals, but your actions and decisions ultimately determine your success. 53. Rich people plan for 3 generations. Poor people plan for Saturday night. Gloria Steinem. Long-term planning builds wealth, while short-term focus often hinders it. 54. The goal of making money is to have enough to stop thinking about money. Financial freedom means no longer worrying about daily expenses or survival. 55. Don't chase money. Chase your purpose, and money will follow. When you focus on adding value and fulfilling your purpose, financial rewards naturally come. 56. It's not your salary that makes you rich, it's your spending habits. Charles A. Jaffe. Wealth depends more on how you manage your money than how much you earn. 57. The rich think long-term. The poor think short-term. Wealthy individuals focus on future goals and investments, while short-term thinking often leads to missed opportunities. 58. Money is something you have to make, not take. Wealth is built through effort and value creation, not entitlement or shortcuts. 59. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Henry David Thoreau. When you focus on consistent hard work, wealth and success naturally follow. 60. If you want to be rich, don't let money control you. Learn to manage money wisely instead of being driven by greed or fear of loss. 61. A rich mindset focuses on investing and creating. A poor mindset focuses on spending and consuming. Wealth is built by prioritizing growth over immediate gratification. 62. The person who doesn't know where their next dollar is coming from usually doesn't know where their last dollar went. Tracking your income and expenses is essential for financial control and success. 63. It's not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. Seneca. Contentment is a key factor in feeling wealthy, no matter your financial situation. 64. Save 1/3, live on 1/3, and give away 1/3. This balanced approach to managing income ensures financial stability and generosity. 65. Never spend your money before you have earned it. Thomas Jefferson. Avoid debt and overspending by living within your means. 66. Debt is like any other trap, easy enough to get into, but hard enough to get out of. Josh Billings. Be cautious about taking on debt, as it can quickly become a burden. 67. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Building wealth requires actions now that set you up for success later. 68. To get rich, you have to be making money while you're asleep. David Bailey. Passive income is essential for achieving financial independence and wealth. 69. Success is not for the lazy. Building wealth takes effort, discipline, and determination. 70. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. The satisfaction of wealth is greater when it's earned through persistence and dedication. 71. Financial independence is about having more choices. When you manage your money well, you gain the ability to make decisions freely. 72. You can't become rich without taking risks, but you can go broke by taking unnecessary ones. Calculated risks are essential for wealth, but reckless decisions can lead to financial ruin. 73. Riches do not respond to wishes, they respond to actions. Wealth comes from hard work and planning, not just hoping for better circumstances. 74. Money is not the goal. Money has no value. The value comes from the dreams money helps achieve. Robert Kiyosaki. Focus on the goals and experiences money can enable, not the money itself. 75. A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by action makes your dreams come true. Greg Reed. Wealth creation requires clear goals, actionable plans, and consistent effort. 76. To be wealthy, don't focus on income alone. Focus on building assets. Financial stability comes from accumulating assets that generate income over time. 77. Rich people think about how to earn money, while poor people think about how to spend it. A focus on earning and investing is critical for building wealth, rather than just consumption. 78. Never let a crisis go to waste. It's an opportunity to grow rich. Challenging times often present unique opportunities for wealth creation. 79. If you live for the weekends and vacations, your life is broken. Gary Vaynerchuk. True wealth involves loving your daily work, not just escaping it. 80. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Buddha. Stay focused on the steps you can take today to build a better financial future. 81. If you don't respect money, money won't respect you. Mismanaging or undervaluing money leads to financial instability. 82. Money has never made man happy, nor will it. There is nothing in its nature to produce happiness. The more of it one has, the more one wants. Benjamin Franklin. Happiness comes from within, not from accumulating more wealth. 83. Rich people think big. Poor people think small. Teeb Harveker. Big goals and ideas lead to big results, while small thinking limits success. 84. Money grows wherever men exert energy. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Effort and action are the roots of financial growth. 85. The rich get richer not by hoarding wealth, but by using money to create opportunities. Wealth increases when it's reinvested into ventures and assets that multiply its value. 86. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Warren Buffett. Diversify your investments to minimize risks and maximize gains. 87. Money is a terrible master but an excellent servant. P.T. Barnum. Use money as a tool to serve your goals, not as something that controls your life. 88. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Warren Buffett. Improving your skills and knowledge will lead to greater earning potential and opportunities. 89. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Success in building wealth requires persistence and consistent effort over time. 90. The secret to wealth is simple. Find a way to do more for others than anyone else does. Tony Robbins. Providing immense value to others is a powerful way to create lasting wealth. 91. The goal is not to be rich. The goal is to be financially free. Freedom from financial stress is more valuable than just having a lot of money. 92. You don't need to be a genius to get rich. You just need to be disciplined. Wealth building relies on consistent habits and smart decision-making rather than extraordinary intelligence. 93. Rich people act in spite of fear. Poor people let fear stop them. Teeb Harveker. Taking calculated risks and moving forward despite uncertainty is a key to wealth. 94. Fortune sides with those who dare. Virgil. Opportunities for wealth favor those who take bold, but well-thought-out actions. 95. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Dave Ramsey. Proper financial planning allows you to take control of your money and achieve your goals. 96. Opportunities don't happen. You create them. Chris Grosser. Success and wealth come from proactively building opportunities, not waiting for them to appear. 97. To build wealth, don't just work harder, work smarter. Efficiency and strategy are just as important as effort when it comes to financial success. 98. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. The foundation of wealth building is saving and putting your money to work through investments. 99. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. Prioritize saving first, and then budget the remainder for expenses. 100. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Peter Drucker. Take control of your destiny by making intentional financial choices and investments. Which of these quotes is your best? Let us know in the comment section below. If these quotes resonated with you and sparked a new way of thinking about money, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs a dose of inspiration, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more powerful insights, strategies, and tips to help you achieve financial freedom. I'm that friend that brings you daily dose of financial management tips and money-making secrets. Let's build this community together.